Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Priya and you're watching PRIYAPREETIARTS, and today I'm going to show you how to highlight the hairs and also how to draw white hairs. Okay, and this image I have drawn this sketch on A2 size paper. Actually, I don't know the size, but I think this is A2. I have drawn it with a light grade of pencil, electric eraser, mechanical eraser, and some grade of pencils. Okay. If you don't have electric eraser, you can avoid it also, and you can use mechanical eraser by sharpening the edges of the eraser. Let's talk about how can you do it. So you have to first draw the area. It means shade the area, okay, where you want to do white hairs. So first of all, you need to shade that area and then highlight with electric eraser or mechanical eraser. As per your requirement, sharp the eraser's edge, or like in electric eraser also or mechanical eraser, and then draw the strokes of your hair and then separate those hairs from the mechanical pencil or the light grade of pencil. That looks more realistic, so you will be like.
To turn it on. Turn it on.